The snow was falling heavy outside the American cafe that December night. 10-year-old Tommy pressed his face against the cold window, watching the flakes dance under the streetlights. His mom, Sarah, worked the late shift, serving coffee and pie to the handful of customers who braved the storm. "Here you go, sweetheart," Sarah said, sliding a plate of spaghetti in front of him. Her smile was tired but warm. Tommy loved these nights at the diner, even if it meant staying up past his bedtime. That's when he saw him. An old man in a dark suit stood by the counter, staring at them. His face was pale, almost translucent in the neon glow of the cafe sign. Something about him made Tommy's skin crawl. "Mom, who's that man?" Tommy whispered. Sarah turned around, her smile fading. "What man, honey?" "That old guy right there." Tommy pointed, but his mother saw nothing. The old man began walking toward them, his footsteps making no sound on the checkered floor. Tommy's heart pounded. The man stopped at their booth, his cold eyes fixed on Sarah. "You don't remember me, do you?" the man said, his voice like wind through dead leaves. Sarah froze, her hand gripping the edge of the table. "No, it can't be. 20 years ago, I sat in this very booth," the man continued. "You were just a girl, working your first shift. I choked on my food and you just stood there. Too scared to help. Too scared to call for help." Tommy watched his mother's face drain of color. Tears filled her eyes. "I'm sorry," she whispered. "I was only 17. I didn't know what to do. I froze. I've lived with that guilt every single day." The old man's stern expression softened. "I know. I've watched you raise this boy alone. Work double shifts, help every customer with kindness. You've spent 20 years trying to make up for one mistake." He placed a ghostly hand on her shoulder. "It's time you forgave yourself." "I already did long ago." The man smiled at Tommy, then slowly faded away like morning mist. Sarah hugged her son tight, finally free.